traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on the 24th of February 2021. That would be a Wednesday. It would be quite an exciting day, I would be honest with you. Just before that, I want to tell you that we have also made a profit, but we have made it in a CE. Can you believe that? We made a profit in a CE and the entire market was down the entire day. And it was very volatile. Why do you think this was possible? This was only possible because of a simple execution and order. All right. So I don't want to talk much about my trades because if you want to be a part of the live trading community, you can join www.rltrgroup.com, subscribe, and come to our session tomorrow so that you can stop your red streak. Okay, if you want to see what we've been doing so far, there is a Telegram link that has been listed below so that you can have a bit of an idea about how we are doing what we are doing. Okay, so without further ado, let me just go ahead and tell you why this was a very important one. So yesterday I did mention to you a zone of 35,064. There was not even a single candle which came in here. So you would need to know that the opening for Thursday is getting set because I'm expecting a very big volatile move either tomorrow or on Thursday, and that would be a single directional move like the way how it fell over here. So what are the key levels? Our key levels will not change. Banknifty makes a complete 5-minute candle below 35,064. You can initiate your PEs. If we need to go ahead and consider what has happened today, it's very simple. It has gone ahead and consolidated itself within a 500-point range. So either it is going to go ahead and take this as a support and move up, which has been decided by a lot of people as per the data, or it will move down, where I have actually marked the levels yesterday itself. So today it was actually a very volatile day. A lot of people have lost their capitals completely and have lost their money and hard-earned money. And it is very, very important for you to know that please donate it to charity. Don't donate it to big FIIs or somebody who is going to just take your money away. All right. The reason why I'm telling you is if you had an analysis and if you have made your money, then that's all it takes. But please don't gamble in this market because this will take everything from you. With that small idea, let me just go ahead and tell you another most important thing. There is a trend line that has been coming in from the top. All right. So if I'm going to be looking for a CE position, I am going to be doing that right here. Okay, this would be my first target on a CE position once this particular trend line is being taken out. Okay, or else if there is going to be a consolidation here and if it is going to break out at the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and take a trade on the P side. At this moment, whatever has happened here, the consolidation over here within a couple of 100 points as a range, that means there is a big breakout that is due. So remember, tomorrow might be the day where you're going to be making a hell of a lot of money. And if you want to be a part of our live trading community and still make money when nobody else is, then you know what you need to do. Subscribe to our channel. Go to our website, www.rltrgroup.com. Join us on live trading tomorrow at 9:15. And please do visit our Telegram channel. With this, I'm very clear with what my levels are. I'm going to be a wait and watch individual for tomorrow, and let's see how this proceeds. Thank you so much for your time today, guys. I wish you have a wonderful day. Do share your love with your loved ones. Jai Hind. We'll see you again with tomorrow with another fascinating video. Thank you. Goodbye.